Where is it? It's gone.
Holy crap. That is insane.
Holy shit. Where's the top?
I don't know. What was that flew over the truck?
This piece right here. Is that the door?
It still run?
Oh yeah. What do you got there? All the way, that flew all the way out past the truck. What do you think the truck is? At least 50 yards.
Yeah.
Flew out past it and then another 25 yards. Was that that's the door there?
That's where the explosion is.
It is
Where was it sitting? Oh, right there.
crazy.
Look at all that stuff that blew up.
Yeah, that's what Papa's gonna get mad about.
Yeah.
You guys got insulation all over my property. This area is pristine.
Wildlife heaven. Like the whole
Man, that thing is demolished.
Wow.
Look how. I guess we could put this on our resume to the Taliban.
Look how it's holding all that up like that.
Do you think it folded that up, or is it already like that?
I think it did. That's the back of it, isn't it?
I don't know. Was it loud?
Heck yeah.
A little bit.